Welcome back. Today is the first time I am recording a new YouTube video on my new camera. If you haven't seen my unboxing video, I now have the Sony ZV-1. That video should be posted by the time you see this video. So I'm recording because big news I've been sitting on. I am moving my office space to the basement. So that's where I am right now. My basement's a bit of a mess, but I will show you what we have going on. So this is my basement currently. It has more space than my office upstairs because I need space so that the baby can play and watch TV and whatnot while I'm working. And then, so this space looks small, but behind that door there's another area. That's my sister Vanessa. Hi Vanessa. Hi Vanessa. So we have this pool table, which Vanessa was supposed to be trying to figure out how to take apart so we can take it upstairs to the garage because we're going to sell it. And I don't know what she did, but we're going to figure that out. Thanks, Vanessa. So, because this space right here is going to be where my desks, and I have new tables, that's all going to go here. It's a whole process, so that's why I figured I'd film it. That's going to, like where you see the pool racks and all that. This is getting changed around. This is where I currently take my pictures of my products and people, of my baby. I take my pictures of my baby here with these lights. So these are gonna go to that other room. These sofas are gonna stay because they are literally like the most comfortable sofas in the world. And then this little entertainment center is gonna have a TV, which I have to get, and it's going to go here for the baby. I'm gonna get one of those fancy playpens. It's gonna go here. I really want one of those playpens that, if you watch the channel Little Alessia Co. I really love her videos, Adelaida. She has an awesome playpen for her daughter, so I'm going to completely copycat that idea and try and get one of those for here. And boom, that is my new heat press. I finally have a new heat press. It's a Stalls. It's not like those $2,000 Stalls. This one is $700, and it's called the A to Z heat press. I have not opened it. I've had it just as long as I've had my camera, which is 2 months, and has not been opened. This box is sealed because I've been waiting to move this basement around. I've been needing help because of the pregnancy complications and whatnot. So yeah, I am now at this point 6 months pregnant. I have one complication after another. I can't lift 20 pounds even. I have gestational diabetes. I've had problems with my asthma. Been hospitalized twice, once for 3 days. So it has been a lot. There's been a lot going on. So I cannot lift things. I can't work still. So yeah, but I need a better office space and I need somewhere where I can watch the baby. So this is why we're starting this move. It's gonna take a while, but we are starting it. Here we are.
I can't tighten this in here like this.
Okay.
How many Puerto Ricans does it take to take apart a pool table?
I'm counting 5.
I'm trying to put it back together so you can get your pictures.
She don't care. She's happy about her new camera.
Hey! Hi, babe. Why are you crying? Why are you crying? Because Papi's blinding you with his light?
Actually, it's pointing down.
I step right.
Yeah, you see her with her eyebrows. As you see, we've made some progress. Oh, I haven't. Vanessa's made progress. And Joshua was here. Okay, so here is another day, and the pool table is gone. It's literally in pieces because that's the only way we can get it up the stairs from the basement. And my wonderful husband did a good cleaning job down here. Get rid of all the dust. Cleaned off the couches real nice. They've just been sitting here for like a year. Cleaned the floors. And brought down all my new tables. These came from Ikea, except for these two. These are my two that were in my office upstairs. If you remember, like this is where I would measure my tool for my tutus on the ends of these two tables. So we had to get the legs off to bring it down. He did. And then these are the new tables. This table had my Cricut upstairs in the room, so that's gonna come down here now. That's the new heat press, the A to Z. all the legs for the tables, and then here are my embroidery machine, my sewing machine that will be set up on these tables. Also, here's the second room. Which eventually will be set up, but right now it's a mess. I have those shelves that I'm going to put back to use, probably put some material and tool and stuff on them. So this room eventually will be like a secondary and storage room for everything. If you notice, the first room has the gym tile floor, which I put down when we moved in. And then the second room, since we didn't use it, I didn't put that floor down here. And you notice it's like dirty, it needs to be cleaned up and everything. So besides all the organizing, it also needs to be swept, mopped, and then I have to buy more gym tiles and cover the floor here. My bookshelves from upstairs will go in here with all my materials and my books on them and my Hogwarts Lego castle. And then all this stuff will get organized better and go on some of the shelves. This entertainment center, we're gonna get a TV for the baby so she can watch TV while I'm working, and it'll go in front of the couches. And then over here, yet another room, but this is just like completely unfinished. So here's like semi-finished, like we have a ceiling, we have walls, drywall, just the floors aren't finished. And then over here, it's just scary and not finished. But it's not bad, and it's a good size. So this is going to be storage overflow. As you can see, it already is. Like, here's Halloween stuff, here's Christmas stuff. But it needs to be reorganized. And we even have, look, there's still storage underneath the stairs. So stuff just needs to be organized. A lot of that stuff in that room right now will get reorganized, and then it'll come over here. It's just a lot harder to do things because I can't even lift 20 pounds with the pregnancy right now. So some of the stuff will get done after I have the baby. Some of the stuff my husband and my sister will help me with. Some of this stuff just needs to be taken upstairs. Like, if you ever notice, I have no pictures on my walls upstairs. These are all my pictures. Oh, those are no frames I haven't even used yet. But here's like wall art that I have. This is for the kitchen. We moved in a year ago, and since I was pregnant, I couldn't really get to a lot of this. Oh, that's our map, our scratch map. Picture of me and my husband. Oh, our wedding picture. Picture of us at Disney. So that never got put up because a lot of our frames are still brown because our old apartments, our colors were brown. That's why those couches are brown. But now everything's like black and silver, so some of the frames need to be repainted before I can put them up. But yeah, lots of work cut out. And here's someone. Who can it be? There he is.
Mm-hmm. Come on. Put that camera off. We got work to do.
We have work to do. All right. Aye, aye, Captain. Okay, so my husband finished building all the tables. I'm put back together the tables from upstairs, but everything does not fit the way I wanted it to. So now I have to reconfigure and figure out how this is gonna work. Great. Okay, it's not perfect, but I think this is the best I'm gonna be able to do. Still gives me more workspace than I had upstairs, and kind of keeps everything nice in one little area so I can roll with my chair back and forth. So hopefully it'll look a lot better once I start filling up the tables and putting everything in its right space. Okay, welcome back. Here's another day of the seemingly never-ending office relocation project. So here are my machines. Here is what's left of my bins, which are now all over. The new heat press is finally going to have a home. tables are set up as best as I can with the space. And my husband made many trips all the way from upstairs all the way to the basement to bring a good amount of my stuff. Like, look. And now my task is to reorganize everything and set it up so it would match what is in my head. So as you can see, I have a lot of work cut out for me, but I am determined to get as much done as possible because I really want to reopen my shop. I'm going to have a longer processing time on my shop once it reopens, just because with everything with my health and the pregnancy that I have going on and work, I really can't dedicate that much time to everything, but I just want to get my feet wet again and get back into the business. So yeah, but I can't do any of that, and I really can't film too many more YouTube videos until I get this situation taken care of. Plus, I'm really OCD. Like, I literally have OCD, and so I can't live like this. So this has to go. So the saga continues. So this is what's left of my office for the time being. This will now be an official guest room. These are where like my 2 white tables were, where I had my heat press, my embroidery machine. It's all gone, and it feels a little bittersweet. These shelves were in the baby's closet, because after the shower, we put like all of this stuff on these shelves. So I'm trying to reorganize now, and I'll show you in a minute. This desk I've had, this was from Ikea. I've had this desk like over 10 years now. It's not going to survive moving one more time, and it won't fit into the basement like through the door, so it's just going to stay here. And I'm going to little by little take some of the stuff and reorganize it downstairs in the new office. I will miss having windows and being able to see outside, so I'll be in the basement. These shelves, I don't know, I gotta figure this out. I don't necessarily need all these books down there, but I do love my books. Some of these books I need because remember, I'm still in school, so I'll, you know, in my office downstairs will be also for school. But I definitely will need all my fabric and my tool. It doesn't necessarily have to stay on this shelf. I can get a new shelf, but all more stuff I have to figure out. Also, all of these bins with all my blanks on the left are like HTV blanks, Bella Canvas, and then on the right are all my embroidery blanks from AJ Blanks, Angela Jasmina. Those will all go downstairs as well, but in that second room, which will be like overflow storage. So, you know, more stuff to figure out. So you see all this mess in my room right now? These are my daughter's clothes, and I'm sorting through what fits her, what doesn't fit her, and trying to put outfits together because we washed everything after Christmas from all the new outfits that she got. So this has been a work in progress, and I'll show you why. To be continued. So welcome to Elena's room. There's her name, there's her crib. But guess what? Since now you guys should have seen the gender reveal video, you know that baby number 2 is a girl, Celia, and this bed has to go. That's where Celia's crib will go. So that bed is going to go in my old office, which is now the guest room. And so we can put a crib here for Celia. And then my big project right now are these closets, because yeah, this closet is jam-packed right now. It's overflowing. Most of this stuff doesn't even fit Elena anymore, and it's all in order. I had made these tags after the baby shower because she got so much stuff. We were so blessed. And she's already in 12 and even 18-month clothes. So like this is the section that I have here for like 12 and 18 month, literally. But all of her new clothes, you see it's starting to get stacked here. New shoes, all of that. Some of the old shoes don't fit. There's stuff in her drawers that don't fit and stuff that does fit. It's all over. There's stuff over there. There's stuff in my room. So the project is to get these clothes out of here that don't fit her anymore into this side of the closet that I'm trying to slowly but surely empty, as you can see, because this closet will be for Celia on this side of the room, and then this closet will still remain for Elena. So yeah, big project here, lots of work.